Oh my. What are you doing, Autumn?
The bath.
Are you taking a bath out in the mud? And Mommy played in the mud like this. Yeah? Are you trying to make your own pool? Oh, that's fun, isn't it? Yeah. I thought we were going to water the lawn. You think Lee would like this? Uh-oh, what do you do with that mud on your hand? What do you do with that? I don't want it.
Uh-oh. What?
Put your back up. Oh. Autumn. Autumn, can you tell me a story? Can you sing me a song? What song do you know? What song do you want to sing? Which one? Deep and Wide? Do you want to sing? Go ahead. Deep, wide, deep. Can you show me deep? Deep. Show me wide. Wide, deep and wide. Deep and wide. There's a fountain flowing deep and wide. Fountain flowing deep and wide. Good job. What? I don't know which one you want to sing. Do Lord? Do Lord. Oh, do Lord. Oh, do you remember me? Do Lord. Okay. Is that it? That's all you're going to sing? No more songs? Oh. Okay. What are you going to do with that? You going to make another mud hole? Lee! Hi, Bubba. Just get up for a nap. What's doing? What is it? We'll rinse it off with a water hose. Lee doesn't want any mud. He doesn't need any, honey. There you go. Wipe it off. Oh, good job. Shake it off. Okay. Nice cool day out. Hi. What's a mile? Okay. Had enough. Here's some wood Judd chopped. Watering the lawn. And our lawn needs a little work. Autumn, can you say I love you? Say I. Look at me. Look at Mama. What do you got mud on your face for? Look at. Experimenting?